Printify automatically prints it, ships it, delivers it to the customer. It's like running a drop shipping business, except you don't even have to buy anything. You don't have to list anything. It's all automatically done for you with a Printify store. Welcome back to Making Money with AI. I'm Dave Espino, and if you want to learn the best ways to make money using AI, then you've come to the right place. I'm inviting you to get your free AI newsletter at the link below. I've been making money online for 25 years, and I'd like to be your coach and help you make money with AI too. Okay, let's get into today's video. Welcome back to Making Money with AI. I'm going to show you in this video how you can create dozens and even hundreds of products that you can sell on eBay and Etsy using AI, and you can do it in minutes. Pretty amazing, and it's with this brand new tool on a store called Printify. So as you can see here, I am in my Printify store. Printify is a print-on-demand store, and take a look at all these different products that you can create using Printify. The amazing thing about Printify and this other site called Printful is that both of these sites connect directly to an Etsy store. And what that means is when you create a product here, it can automatically be listed in an Etsy store. And Etsy, as we all know, is one of the biggest destinations online for gift giving of all kinds. People go to Etsy to find gifts of all kinds. The cool and amazing thing about this is Printify has a brand new feature, an AI image generator that allows you to quickly create an AI image and then pop it on any one of these types of products. So for example, let's say that you want to sell phone cases on Etsy or eBay. What you can do is create the AI images using Printify's brand new AI image generator, immediately pop them on a product of your choice, any one of the products that you see on the screen here, and immediately connect that to your eBay or Etsy store and start selling it. When somebody buys your product in your eBay or Etsy store, Printify automatically prints it, ships it, delivers it to the customer, and even handles some aspects of customer service for you. So it's like running a drop shipping business, except you don't even have to buy anything. You don't have to list anything. It's all automatically done for you with a Printify store. So let me demo and show you exactly how this can work. So let's start. I mean, some of the more popular products are phone cases, so cell phone cases, mugs, also posters and canvas, and t-shirts, of course, as well as mouse pads are pretty popular. But let's just say that you wanted to create a phone case with a cool design on it. Okay, so I'm going to click on phone cases, and you can choose the type of phone case that you want, right? So let's go with a slim phone case. I'm going to click this one here. And what you do is once you choose this, you scroll down to where it says Start Designing. Click on that. And then you'll notice over here on the left, it says AI Image. So you click on AI Image, and now you are in the AI Image Generator. You can create an AI image in a very short period of time here. So you can choose the style that you want, like you can choose anime style, photographic, digital art, comic book, fantasy art, etc. And you could choose 3D model, cinematic, etc. Right? So let's say that you wanted to choose, I don't know, let's go with fantasy art, and we're going to create like a floral thing. So I'm just going to say flowers in a field. Something along those lines. And then what you can do is you can either try an example or enhance your prompt. So I'm going to click on Enhance Prompt, and then it's going to give me more detail. Okay, so it's going to say field of wildflowers, sunny meadow, vibrant, colorful, impressionist, soft focus, warm lighting, low angle, nature, pastel tones, happy, relaxed oil painting, Monet inspired, naturalistic. I'm just going to leave it as is. Now, what you can do, of course, is take out anything you don't like and put in anything you want. And then I'm going to click Generate Images. Now, because I'm talking over this, it takes a little longer to explain this, but I could do this in a minute, right? I could generate the prompt in a minute. I could generate the image in, again, another minute, and you are done. So the one I like here is this one here because it has a sun. But all of these could work really well. Let's click on the one that I like here, and it'll put it onto the image. Now, of course, what you can do is drag it, and put it just right where you want it. I like the sun to be there. Then we're going to drag it so it takes up the entire case, right? And then we're going to kind of position it so that the sun is over on the side. And there you have it. You have an amazing image. Now, if you want to go a little bit bigger, we can do that and then move this up a little. And then click Save Product. You've just created a product on Printify, which if you want, you can immediately start selling it in an Etsy store. So it has a little mock-up here, as you can see, and it looks really, really good there, right? And you can see front and back, you can see front and side, you can see it in context. Oftentimes this is a mock-up that shows it in, there you go, shows it in a natural setting. And then you would save selection, and then you would be able to now put in your product description, explain a little bit about the image and explain what it is. Everything else is put in here automatically for you. Fill in a few more details like shipping, and then you click publish, and it'll be in your store available to the public. And that's amazing, right? Because literally in 2 minutes, 1 minute to think of a prompt, and the second minute to generate the image, you suddenly have a product, and it was created by AI. And you could sell it on both Etsy and eBay, because Printify has both integrations automatically that you could set up. Now, if you think of the sheer number of products, different types of products that are in that catalog that I just showed you, combined with the number of AI images you could create, I mean, you could create hundreds and hundreds of products, all with AI image generation. And then the cool thing is, when somebody buys one of your products, it automatically gets handled. It gets shipped for you. You don't have to do anything. It gets printed, it gets shipped, customer service is handled, and you're not doing anything. This is the closest thing to a passive income that you can find by simply creating these products using AI. And I happen to have a course that goes into detail on this Etsy strategy, into detail on exactly how to create your listings, additional advanced strategies, additional ways to create the images. I use Midjourney in the course, and Midjourney has some amazing, in my opinion, much higher quality images. So you can create things like posters, you can create things like mouse pads, smartphone cases, of course, blankets, towels, clothing, t-shirts, hoodies, all kinds of things, mugs, all kinds of things you can create. It's an amazing business model, and I have a course that goes into detail. I'll have special discount pricing on this course at the link in the description below. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time on Making Money with AI.